Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an Amazon wish list and share the link. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Amazon wish lists is super useful. You can go and add the products you want to the wish list, and then send that to people and they can order it for you. So to go and do this, firstly come to Amazon and go and search for an item you want. So in this case, I may go and search for an iPhone, let's say. You can scroll down, find the product that you want, and you can then go and click on it. Then all you need to do is come over to the right here. And what you need to do is go and scroll down and you see the option Add to List. Click there and then you can go and name this, and then go and click on Create. Now it's been added to the list, so you can go and continue adding more items to it. After you finish adding the products to your list, go to the top right of Amazon and hover over your name. And what you then need to do is go left side and you will see your list option. And your list name will be shown here. So click on it and now you'll go and see them here. If you've got multiple, you'll be able to go and click on them over to the left. I've just got the one. Now what you want to do is go to the top right as we need to adjust the settings there. You can click on 3 dots and then click on Manage Lists. Now what you can do is go through here. The main thing I want to do here is add a delivery address, so I'll click on it and add it. After you've added it, you can click on Ship to this address like so. Click on Save Changes. Now go to the top right and click on Invite. You can choose if you want someone to view only or be able to view and edit. In this case, it's view only, so we'll click there and then we can click on Copy Link. And you can then go and send that to people. And they can go through it and decide what they want to order if they want to. So that's basically how you can create an Amazon wish list and share the link. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.